So, dear students, is it possible to measure the circumference of the earth with a stick? Suppose this is a stick. Is it possible? If your answer is yes, then how it is possible? Yes, my answer is yes. So let us see how it is possible. Almost today's figure of circumference, we have measured this with the help of stick. So let us see how it is possible. A long year ago, around 200 BC, it was Eratosthenes, father of geography, who knew that Earth's surface is curved, and they also knew about the surface of the Earth. If curved, then it is supposed to be spherical. So, if a spherical, what is the circumference? That sorts of curiosity in his mind. So, what they did? What did they? Let us see. This is the surface of Earth. We know that 21st June is summer solstice. In this summer solstice, the Tropic of Cancer, sunrise falls 90 degree on Tropic of Cancer. Okay? So sunrise fall Tropic of Cancer to place where they want to what? They want to observe the situation of sun rays. So one place is Alexandria and second is Syene. So Syene and Alexandria. Syene falls under Tropic of Cancer and Alexandria apart from this 800 kilometers away from Syene. So in this Syene, when summer solstice, that means 21st June, sun rays falls 90 degree when it's 12 noon. So this Alexandria and Syene observation would be 7.2 degree and 7.2 degree. Here no difference create, no shadow, 2 point here, distance from 800. In this is Syene and this is Alexandria, and this Syene we have what? 7.2 degree angle, and there is no angle, from here it is 7.2 degree, and there is no angle subtended, no shadow here. So no angle subtended. With the help of this difference, Eratosthenes knew that the difference between angle of these two places is 7.2 degree. So with the help of this, what is the difference of shadow? They calculate, he calculated, and with the help of this, he formulated a formula like this. we can easily understand shadow of theta 1, theta 2 and the difference of the what? Place. This is the difference of the bigger. This is angle, small angle and the bigger angle 360 degree. This is the place of the small place and this is the place of bigger. So this difference of curvature from here to here is 800 kilometer and this is the difference of, this is the distance of circumference. So find it out 400 kilometer. This is called, in that time it is called what? 500 stadia. That means this 500 stadia turned into 40,000 kilometer. And the exact figure today is 40,030 kilometer circumference of the earth. So with this we can easily understand how with the help of a stick we can measure what? Difference of, distance of and the circumference of the earth. So this is it, and I think first chapter have been finished. One topic, moon, the earth only satellite. I think this is the topic you can easily understand by reading, but if you have any doubts and queries, you can ask me to make a separate video on that topic. I will definitely do. Okay, so in my mind, in my opinion, your first chapter have been finished and we can go further to second chapter, grid reference, geographical grid. In this lecture we are going to discuss about grid, geographical grid, and you are very curious, inquisitive to know what is grid and what is longitude, what is parallels of longitude, what is latitude, and how we can calculate day and night, how we can calculate time, how we can calculate longitude, latitude, all this thing in that chapter. So second chapter is most interesting chapter, and this is very mathematical, and you will enjoy with me, and I also enjoy to teach you guys. So the hope of that you will enjoy. Stay tuned and see our lecture. Thank you so much.